Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a dipstick tube on a Chevy Silverado. First, gather your tools, including a new dipstick tube, a wrench set, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool before starting to avoid any burns. You'll need to locate the old dipstick tube, which is usually secured to the engine block, and sometimes to a bracket. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Let's get started with the removal. Now let's tackle removing the old dipstick tube. Begin by pulling the dipstick completely out of the tube and setting it aside. Next, identify and unbolt any brackets that secure the tube to the engine or other components. There might be 1 or 2 bolts, typically 10 mm or 13 mm. Once the brackets are free, carefully twist and pull the tube upwards to dislodge it from the engine block. Be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding parts. Sometimes, a little wiggling helps. With the old tube out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the opening on the engine block where the tube inserts. Ensure there's no old sealant or debris. Apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant around the base of the new dipstick tube where it enters the engine. This helps create a good seal. Carefully push the new tube into the opening, ensuring it's fully seated. Reattach and tighten any mounting bolts or brackets you removed earlier. Double-check everything is secure. After installation, reinsert your dipstick fully into the new tube. Ensure it slides in smoothly and seats correctly. Then, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully inspect the area around the new dipstick tube for any signs of oil leaks. A small leak can quickly become a big problem, so address it immediately if you spot one. Also, for a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keeping your vehicle well maintained, inside and out, makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.